When you come here for the first time, please click the register button. Here, enter the secret phrase that you were given and your email or username. Username is your last name and first name, all lowercase without any spaces. In this example, I'm gonna be using an email, and click continue. Once you reach this page, please confirm your information and set password. If you are using a secondary mailing address, please check this button, this checkbox, and select the from date and to date, and then the secondary mailing address as well. If you're not using it, this can stay unchecked. Then set your password and then confirm your password. If you're not sure what you typed inside, because it's a password field, therefore it's hidden, you can click this button, which will unhide it and show you what you're actually typing, so you can make sure those numbers or letters are correct or the same, and there has to be at least 8 characters long. Once you're done with everything, just click update your profile and you are done with the onboarding, and you will never see this first confirm page again. Now you are inside of your membership account and you can start sending your birthday greetings.